weapon. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. Oh my God, oh my God.
All day to be able to eat a burrito.
Dad, I see nothing, Susan. I see nothing, Susan. Dad, I want to ride the tracker.
Güero Canelo.
But you just said a bad word. It's not a bad word. It is a Spanish word. Spanish? Yeah.
And the wife got
Yeah.
2 burritos and she just got here to look at her food.
I want to go up there. That's dangerous.
She also got
I can go
a Sonoran
down.
hot dog.
No,
From Güero Canelo? She can afford that. She's trying to gain
Pop up them gains.
gains. I fasted for 18 hours today. 18 hours to be able to have a burrito, and then when I get home I'll have another meal. It'll be straight up like chicken and basmati rice to finish up my macros. Huh?
I had pancakes this morning.
Huh?
I had pancakes
No.
and sausage.
What
And
else?
then I cashed in my,
8.76.
what was it? My free mango pineapple smoothie at McDonald's. Large.
Is it good?
So not good for you, but so good.
279, 279, 279, 279, 79, 279, 279.
Do you want some more guacamole or so I can go get it now? I gotta go for my soda, that's what I'm asking. So.
I'm good. Open it right here.
Guacamole. What?
It didn't work.
Guacamole. Some guacamole?
Very, very well put together. She ain't going no. That's my bean. My bean.
Yes.
I'm gonna eat her food. Just kidding, just kidding. Oh damn, that shit has a lot of lime. What did she do to her food?
280,
Did it again?
280.
If you like soda, I'm not a big soda person, right? But damn, a balanced life all the time. All gotta